Hello, hello. It's a beautiful day, and we have the public weekly accountability. As always, we start with some of the profit screenshots to see what is generally happening. Okay, so let's start with that. We can see that I posted the first content for the music. I connected the MCP to Google Sheet, which allows for easier stuff. I did some niche research. I updated the A+. I did some voice cloning for the music. And yeah, I have my assistant running daily calls with me now just to make sure we are on track. And yeah, the biggest constraint I need to solve for TikTok, I would say, is ideation and scripts, right? Spent a lot of time thinking about girls. That's something that I need to work on. Just intrusive thoughts all the time. And let's see. Yeah, a lot of stuck time on TikTok. It's just so heavy. Like it's very ambiguous work. So you need to really like be disciplined to push through. And wait, I didn't even show my profit. Let's do that. So here with new launches, we had $1,400 profit, which is a 10% ROI for the whole month, which is not great, 8%. And we had, without the new launches, a 40% ROI and 3,000 profit so far, which is not amazing, to be honest. It's barely paying for the cost. So that's why we need to change the game. We need to really change something. Okay? So yeah, we cannot hire our way out of unfinished thinking, and understanding is truly something that we cannot outsource. As I've seen Richard Feynman also explains, like memorizing will not help. We need to understand the issue and really solve it and understand why it is in a way. So I think thinking and learning is something that cannot be outsourced, clearly. Okay. Now, creativity, I'm trying to bring it in-house with our TikToks. And I need to keep building the TikTok system, right? I can, like, if I build the TikTok system, I can always come back and fix the Amazon stuff, right? But I believe now the highest priority move is for me to do TikTok, even though I could focus my time on Amazon ads. It just feels to me that TikTok is going to be the highest leverage move, okay? Yep. So that's it. I also released the first music, lots of those things. I'm discovering new ways to find niches, but a little bit, I'm focusing on trying to, how do you say, get rolling with the highest leverage thing, which is the TikTok, right? Because otherwise I'm just getting pulled back into the Amazon stuff, and it's just so annoying. And I do know that I need to get some stuff finished, but I'm hoping that my assistant can go into the database and start understanding how to optimize that. Now, it's not looking great. He hasn't answered for 2 days, which is very unusual, but it is what it is, right? So yeah, I'm excited for the music, for this, for that. A lot of good things are coming. So that's it for this week. I believe the revenue is not amazing. I'm shaky when it comes to the email systems, and keeping one brand email system, then send the bonuses, get them to review the next books. Like that's completely, I would say, yeah, not being used at all. In some books I'm gathering emails, but nothing is really happening. I'm on shaky grounds when it comes to Amazon ads, like shaky compared to where I think I should be, where everything is organized and being, harvested correctly, ran correctly, bid optimized, placement adjustment. That's shaky. I don't feel like it's being done as I would want it to. The reporting is off. So that's that. On the other side, what else? The book qualities, I would want it to be higher. So yeah, there's all of those 3 to 4 things, right? So it seems to me that I have a lot of shaky foundation, and some people, they're building their foundation much better than me. One of my friends, Paul, He's building a very strong foundation of Amazon ads, book quality. You know, it's taken many months, but now he can grow because his foundation is very strong. My foundation of Amazon ads is like outsourced. It's not my in-house knowledge, so it feels like in a way I'm building on a house of cards, right? Now we will see if this is true or not in the future, or at some point if I have to change ad agency or something, then I go back and learn something, right? However, I think that's the current state of affairs. I'm just afraid that I cannot define the scope for myself, right? So if I'm gonna push with Amazon ads, it's never gonna finish, and I'm just spending, weeks on weeks on weeks, and just further optimizing something that I should have just stepped back, like, oh, no, I need to focus on something else. That is the biggest thing here. That is the absolute biggest pain point I have, because I can just keep going deeper and deeper into these things, right? And I don't want to do that. Okay, that's it for now. I'm excited for everything, and let's see you next week. Bye bye. Gotta focus on TikTok. That's my number one thing. And then after that, come back and optimize the systems. I think that's the most highest leverage move. Bye bye.